Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video, you will have gotten the gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. Today, I just wanted to have a young chit chat with you guys. So I'm on a journey, and this journey is a journey of discovering myself. It's an uncomfortable journey. I am making moves that I wouldn't normally make. I'm allowing myself to be. I'm allowing myself to try new things. I'm allowing myself to just sit in my imperfection and actually accept my imperfection. For the longest time, I've been a perfectionist. I even made a video, an old video from years ago. I will never forget that video. On the fear of failure. I had a serious fear of failure. I would never want to start anything unless I knew it was perfect, unless I knew, I had all my T's crossed, all my I's dotted. Like, I had to make sure that everything was perfect. Everything that I put my name on had to be perfect, which is not a bad thing. But it becomes a bad thing when it becomes an obsession, where it becomes a situation where you are now just holding on to things because you feel like it's just not ready. I would often not want to do certain things or go into accept different opportunities because I felt like I was not ready. I felt like, what do I have to offer? What is it that I have that holds weight, that makes me worthy to be in that space, or to be in that room, or to be sitting at that table? And I would often decline certain opportunities. I would give excuses, all sorts of things. But this year, and I think also part of last year, I just decided to accept the fact that nothing will ever be perfect. There's never a time when you feel like you are 100% ready. If there's anyone that has ever experienced that, please do let me know and just, let us know. How did you know that it was all perfect? I started emceeing Show. I started emceeing not having the skill, not having done it before, and I was just testing it out. I was just like, let me just see, I've made a lot of mistakes. Just this year, I was emceeing at an event and I had an anxiety attack. And I left the stage. I beat myself up for that moment so much. I cried. I think for a good month, I was just beating myself up about it. I did not want to see the people. I did not want to be seen. I was worried that somebody might have captured that moment and is going to use it against me to bash me or whatever. I mean, already I know that I can be my biggest critic. If there's one person that is just so hard on me, it's me. But at the same time, I'm also learning to become my biggest cheerleader. And like I said, I'm in a journey where I'm allowing myself now to make mistakes, and I understand that in as much as I would love for things to be perfect, things aren't perfect. I'm not perfect. If I say that I'm perfect, then that means that there's no room for me to grow. There's nothing new that I can learn. And there's always an opportunity to learn. I'm grateful to the people that give me the grace, that just, give me grace rather when I mess up and remind me that it's okay to mess up. You just kind of have to, dust yourself off and get up and try again, or get up and go. And so I'm in a journey. I'm in a journey of allowing myself to make mistakes, allowing myself to do different things and try out new things, whether I'm ready or I feel ready or I feel like the singer is on point. I started my business, TM Collections. I wasn't sure. I was scared. Obviously, I'm putting money into this. Is it going to work? To this day, almost 2 years later, a year and a half later, I'm still just trying to figure it out. Some people would say that a year and a half is a long time to still be trying to figure it out, but that's them. It's not me. It's not my journey. I'm just in a process of learning and unlearning different things. Now, why am I making this video? I'm sharing this because I want to encourage someone who might be sitting on an idea right now and is waiting for things to be perfect. I want to encourage you to not wait too long. Don't sit for too long on an idea, because what I've come to realize is that sitting too long on an idea, someone else is going to come and make those things happen. And you're going to feel like the world is against you. You're going to feel like, hey, somebody stole your idea. No, you should have acted on it when you had the chance to. Not saying that you can't. You still can. Maybe you'll do it better. But if you have an idea, you have a dream, you have a vision that you've been sitting on for a very long time, I would strongly suggest that you just give it a try. Give that vision a chance. Give that dream a chance to become a reality. Trust yourself. Trust in God. I believe in God. So I'm going to speak about God. Trust in God. There's a saying that says, God does not call the qualified, He qualifies the called. And so, trust that if God has put that vision on your heart, if God has given you that dream, He can definitely get you to your destination. Trust Him. I've done things afraid. I've made bold moves. I've gone all in. These were hashtags that I had for myself. And I feel like I want to just put those out there for you guys. Do it afraid. Go all in. Go for gold. Make bold moves. Move boldly. You never know what you can become, or what that vision, that dream can become, whose life you might change just by taking that bold step to just give it a go. Just give it a go. I guess we've gotten to the end of the video. I hope that this video is going to help someone out there, and I hope that you will take it and run with it. I don't know who it is for, But if it is for you, please leave a comment below and let me know that this video was for me. I would really, really love to see that feedback. And yeah, all the best. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need to hear it. And like I said, leave a comment below. And also let me know what you would like me to talk about next or in future videos. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already and join this amazing family. We're on the road to 700 subscribers, and then from 700 we're going with, but like the ultimate goal right now, I really do want to see this channel at 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, we're 8 subscribers away from 700, so please just help me make that dream a reality. So subscribe if you haven't already. You take your friends' phones and subscribe. Your grandmothers, your mothers, your fathers, your sisters, your cousins, your dogs, your cats, your birds, whatever has a device and has access to YouTube, please subscribe. And yeah, let's just grow this channel and see how it goes. All right, guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.